Good morning. I'm just checking in with how's everyone doing. Today I'm going to show you what I put in my daily smoothie for my plant-based diet that I told you guys my daughter had started me on. Almond milk, about 8 to 12 ounces. After I do this, we'll go ahead and chit chat. Protein, 2 tablespoons, or actually 2 scoops. So how's everyone doing today? I'm having a great day. I cannot complain. Flaxseed, 2 tablespoons of that. I had this yesterday and it was actually really good. I really did like it. And creamy almond butter, 2 tablespoons of that as well. Ooh, this is very, very oily. It's almost peanut buttery. And my daughter says we can substitute this for peanut butter if we like. Get that all in there. And our last 2 ingredients are our fruit. I'm having strawberries today. And about 6 or 7 ice cubes. Let me get this all blended up. And I'll see you in a minute and we'll chat. Hey guys, I am back. I have made my shake or my smoothie, whatever you want to call it. Pouring it in my glass. Came out great. Yes. So, how are you guys doing today? That's really good. Hope you're enjoying your day. I'm having an awesome day because it is almost Friday. And that is always something to celebrate. And I guess they brought back the Popeye's chicken sandwich, which honestly I think is a big mistake after all the drama last time. But this time when they brought it back, they promised that they would have enough supply for the demand. But as we see, people are still fighting over the sandwich. I knew they had brought the sandwich back because on Sunday my daughter calls me and she's like, "Mom, what's going on at Popeyes? There's a line of people out the door and the drive-thru is backed up with cars." And first of all, I was like, "Well, why are you calling and asking me?" And I had to stop and think, do I own part of this Popeyes franchise? Well, needless to say, I figured out that the sandwich was back, and as we've all seen in the news, people are going crazy again over chicken, which you can get chicken for $4.99 a pound right at your corner grocer. So I don't know. I've never seen anything like this. But if you remember that old episode of the Boondocks, they actually predicted this would happen.
It's a scene normally reserved for major Hollywood blockbusters. The faithful have been lined up for days. Some arrived in costume, all for the love of chicken.
Me man, this chicken gonna be off the chain. I can't wait. I can't wait. I'm gonna get some chicken. I can't wait.
See, you kids don't know how lucky you have it. All my life, we only had 11 herbs and spices. This is a whole new... Oh, man.
A 2-piece special with lots of hot sauce and all the fries you can give me.
Boy, wake up. It's almost chicken time. What? I can't believe what you telling me. What? No way. No goddamn way. Hell no. What is it? Talking about they out of chicken. What? Listen.
Welcome to Colonel's Fried Chicken. Unfortunately, we are out of chicken at the moment. Please go wait until we have more chicken. Thank you. God bless.
You ran out of chicken?
Oh man, this is some old bullshit.
No chicken? You mean I ain't gonna be able to get that bucket?
How can they be out of chicken? It's Colonel's Fried Chicken.
This is outrageous. This is an outrage.
Hello, 911? No, I ain't calling a snitch. I got a real emergency. Yeah, I hope.
Some of us have been looking forward to this day for a long, long time.
Hello, my emergency? These fools done ran out of chicken.
Welcome to Colonel's Fried Chicken. Unfortunately,
It's like this my chicken. I got chicken. I ain't got no job. You better get on. That's what they do. Keep screwing the little man. You're not going to get away with this. You're right. Hey, you're right. It's time for us to fight back. Let's not us out about this chicken. We are not going to take it in there. Damn, no chicken. That's so cool.
Tonight, civil unrest explodes in several major American cities. There have been reports of fires, looting, and violence in the streets, all over a fast food promotion gone terribly wrong.
People going wild over chicken sandwiches and fighting, and unfortunately, someone has lost their life over a chicken sandwich. Come on, y'all. We got to do better. We got to do better than this. This is not cool at all. What do y'all think? I think they need to X out the chicken sandwich, bring peace back to our community. Head on down to your grocer, get that chicken for $4.99 a pound, and be happy. Let me know what you think in the comments section. See you all later. Bye.